Good morning, guys. What is going on? Today is December 11th, 2025. Today I just passed my Take Profit Trader 150K evaluation. I'm kind of going to go over the trade that I took. This was it right here. And why I took it. This was basically the trade I ended up taking off like right here. I was going to hold for down here, but I really didn't need to. I took two contracts and volatility is crazy today. This in my mind was like 30 points, but in reality it was like 50. Didn't even need to really hold for all of this, but it was a beautiful continuation sell, as you can see right here. Regardless, let's go ahead and get into why I took this trade. And yeah, let's get right into it. So going into the day, I was recognizing that FOMC pushed up and then immediately inverse fair value gaps, right? So we came up, we swept out these two highs right here on the way to this daily civvy I was talking about yesterday. Ended up sweeping them out. Absolutely inverse fair value gapping here. Came in, touched this daily inverse civvy that I mentioned yesterday. And I was pretty much recognizing that it was not actually a reversal. This was not a reversal. This was simply a move back to rebalance into OTE. So if you can see that right here, right in the golden pocket, we're in OTE. And then today was, I believe, unemployment claims at 8:30. This guy right here ended up putting in an SMT with ES. This was 8:30 right here. ES swept out this high. NQ did not. Absolute displacement down at open, which is great. And then ES actually did not displace nearly as far down and came up and swept out the open high as well. So once we made this little move right here and we made this high, and I saw that we made this push up, we were struggling to break this high, and ES at the same time, right at 938, was pushing up for this high. I was recognizing that an SMT was going to print. And so what I did was I just set a limit order for this high right here. So once this high got taken, which was this 938 candle, the same one that ended up sweeping out the high here, we now have another bullish SMT, or sorry, another bearish SMT right here. Right, and we've swept out internal liquidity. We're now back into this opening fair value gap right here, and this is where I took my short. I took two contracts and I ended up writing it down. It was this guy right here that ended up tapping me in. It like came back, put me in drawdown a little bit, and then pushed down, and I was able to take off somewhere in this area right here. If you can see that right there, it was one of these two candles right here. Ended up making about $1,900 on the day because volatility is just crazy today. In hindsight, I should have just taken one contract, but went for my usual two. Ended up paying off today, but yeah, today was a really, really good clean selling day. This is just a type of pattern that you see all the time, both in bull and bear markets. So I was just catching the continuation play. That was it today, guys. You can see it just hit my main target here, which was London low. We just took out London low. I doubt ES has taken it out. Yeah, ES is just now at this low resistance low, so we have another SMT, but we have it at the lows this time. It'll be interesting to see what happens here. We'll see what happens, but this is a really, really good, healthy, bullish retracement that we're having right now, or I guess bearish retracement, but for the bull move that comes after. So everything on the charts is looking really good. It's looking kind of like exactly how I wanted it to. Kind of cool to see as a trader, and it kind of shows, you know, how far I've come and how everything just kind of plays out if you take your time and you don't rush through the process. You really just show up here every day and you just try to get better. You're not trying to get rich. You're not trying to make money. You're just trying to get better and better and better every single day. You're journaling everything. You're holding yourself accountable. That's what trading is about. And yeah, Take Profit Trader 150K account is now passed. I'm going to get my new account tomorrow, start building up that buffer. Have a great rest of your day. That's all for today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.